Tamarind Village Hotel, where we have installed a 50 kilowatts power grid tie system. Grid tie systems are efficient and effective way of lowering your cost of electricity by harnessing and utilizing the direct power from the solar into your loads. For this place, we have installed 96 panels, 545 watts monocrystalline solar panels, and then we have a 50 kilowatts Huawei inverter connected to the solar panels. So we get the power from the solar into the inverter to our loads.
This is our inverter from Huawei. It's a 50 kilowatts inverter, and this is where the power from the solar panels comes in. We have 6 strings from the solar panels, and on the other side we have this AC side which connects to the grid, and then on my other side we have a smart logger. It logs all and monitor all the data from the inverter and what is coming from the grid. It connects directly with the system on the internet, so you can monitor it remotely, and this is the data which can be able to extract from the monitoring. You can see this is the data. We'll be able to see how the system works and the amount of power we have saved and the amount of power we imported from the grid.
Welcome to Tamarind, Mombasa. We are so happy to partner with Davis and Shatri awareness of renewable energy, and here we are very enthusiastic about sustainability. We have done solar energy, and this definitely helps us with our reduction of consumption of energy. So we advocate for it, and we continue to involve ourselves in sustainable business practices that will help longevity in terms of waste management, sustainable energy, and environment conservation.
I want to thank Davis Shatri for doing this, because we're already up to 63,000 kilowatt hours saving, and I'm happy that I'm also doing very well on return on investment, because right now I'm now at 1.9 million shillings for a few months. And I want to say the solar system is also working very well. It's efficient, and it's also covering quite a number of my load over the day.
So the grid tie solar system is an effective way of lowering the cost of main grid. So we recommend, if your operations are run during the day, then install a grid tie solar system to lower the cost of KPLC. They're very effective, they're very efficient, and they're safe to use. And our technicians, our engineers, they're all EPRA approved. So we have all the EPRA licenses, we have all the approvals, so we ensure that the work is done at the highest quality and highest standards.